Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to be doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that, cleaning, decluttering, you know, the normal. We're also doing a pantry restock, fridge clean and restock, and also something that a lot of people may not do, but the cleaning tools that we use in order to clean the house, I do give several of them a very good clean and wipe down. So yeah, I hope that everybody is having a great week, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for choosing to watch my video. I hope that you will do I hope that you will like, share, subscribe, and comment. I would love to get to know you guys. And right now this is like our cleaning closet slash cleaning tool closet. I was decluttering this because, as you can see, it's a big gigantic mess. This is kind of what happens when you have kids that also clean and everything. They don't typically put things back where they're supposed to go or anything. And I love to organize and especially declutter, guys. Like, I am a huge declutterer. I hate clutter, even though you can't tell it by my actual bedroom, but I hate clutter. That's why I don't stay in my bedroom a lot, because to me it's just it stresses me out. But here's a fun fact about me. I don't know if I've ever shared this, but fun fact about me is I absolutely positively hate cleaning. I do not like cleaning. I despise cleaning, but I love the feeling I get when the place is clean, when something is organized and decluttered and spotless. I love that. When something is decluttered and chaotic, I tend to get it feels like the walls are closing in, and I feel really anxious and everything else if I am in a very cluttered or messy space. So that's why probably on the video you'll see, at least in probably just about every video when I'm cleaning, you'll also see me trying to organize or declutter or something like that. And it is because I cannot function in a cluttered mess. I have never been able to. I hate, I hate feeling like I'm not in control when it comes to the space around me. And with that being said, I am decluttering a lot of things because there is a place near me. It is a place that they help people in need who may have hit hard times and are getting back up on their feet, and maybe just got them a place after, you know, the hard time and stuff like that. And they actually help them and give them like household things, clothes, you know, stuff like that. And I actually have a huge pile of stuff that I have been decluttering. I think in the last video I did, I showed like a little clip of everything that I was going to declutter and give to them. But I have so much more to get rid of, and I want to try to get it all, you know, gathered up and taken all at one time. Although it may take a little, you know, I may end up having to drop most of this off before I can finish decluttering, because I also another big decluttering video I want to do is actually in my room, and I want to try to get it to where when I come in my room I actually feel, you know, relaxed and not so anxious and not so stressed and like the walls are closing in and stuff, because right now my room stresses me out so bad. Like, I literally come in my room long enough to sleep, and that's about it. Like, I don't come in my room to hang out or watch TV or anything like that, or to just get away. Cute moment. Get it, Mama. Are you cleaning and cooking?
Hold on. We done put it over again. Hold on. Come on, baby. Now so.
What you making Mommy to eat? Oh. I'm sorry I asked. Are you doing so many things at one time? Is you getting frustrated? You getting frustrated?
What did you ask that baby to do?
You getting frustrated?
Look your butt.
Say hi.
Say hey. Wait.
Say hi. Wave, baby.
Let them in you touch nothing.
There you go. Say mwah. No. Are you frustrated?
Let me move this real quick, because that keeps wanting to take on your camera.
Oh, her so frustrated. Her so frustrated. Her doing too many things at once. Her mama frustrated, baby. Oh, her need a nap.
Come on,
Come here.
Go to Mommy. Now,
Oh, you better stand up.
Get up, go to Mommy.
What? You picked something up. Thank you. Thank you. Where you going? Where you going?
Hey.
No, you can't help Mommy do this, baby. You can't help Mommy do this.
Hey. No, ma'am. No.
No, you can't help Mommy do this. You gotta go get your broom.
Look. Get your broom.
Get your broom.
Get your bride.
Get your broom, baby. There you go. Get that broom and sweep, Mama. There you go. Sweet, baby, sweet. Yeah.
I think she just wants to sweep wherever you happen to be sweeping.
Woo, look at that pretty broom. Gonna have to get you a mop and every stuff, huh? Okay, but anyway, guys, sorry, we had to take a little cuteness break there for a moment. But yeah, like I was saying, I really want to get my room to where it is an area to where if I need a break or if I just need to relax, that I can actually come and just, you know, enjoy being in my space and stuff like that. Because right now, I don't like being in here. And I think everybody should have that area to where when they're feeling overwhelmed or anxious or, you know, just having a bad day and just need a couple minutes of relaxation or something like that. I feel like everybody should have that one space that they can go to in order to feel relaxed and everything. And my room is just not it. So, with that being said, I do have a lot of things that are coming up in future videos. I have plans for different types of videos, big projects, you know, smaller projects, little things to get done around the house, decluttering, organizing. So I'll probably have videos, you know, up. I try to upload videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Excuse me. And I do have plans. It's just the thing of trying to figure out with having the baby and stuff like that, it's not exactly easy. Like, I can't just all of a sudden, oh, well, I'm going to go do this and actually have the time to do it. So I kind of have to decide. Usually I plan the videos out of what I'm going to do, but then things change because I may not have the time to do like a big project or anything like that, like, you know, deep cleaning or decluttering a certain area or something, because a lot of the decluttering and a lot of the deep cleaning and, you know, fixing a room up or something like that, like the big projects and everything, tend to take a long time. And I just have to work to where I can have like the extra time to be able to do it, to where I'm not having to stop to go do this or stop to go do that or whatever. And guys, if for some reason when this video is uploaded, if my video is freezing, I don't know what is going on. Like, the editing software that I'm using for some reason has been acting up so bad tonight. That's why the video is going to be going up later than usual. But I just hope that it goes up properly, y'all. And if something sounds weird on it or looks weird, I do apologize. Like, I'm not sure what else going on, but I have been trying to get this video done and everything for like probably over an hour and everything now, because the software for some reason it's not cooperating with me like it needs to. So that's the story of my life. But I have talked for quite a bit, guys, and again, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and thank you so much for showing me support and just being there in general. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope that you will come back for more videos. I am trying to get better at the angles and things like that, but when you have small spaces and everything, it's kind of hard to get a tripod in the area to get the good angles and everything. So again, guys, I do apologize if, you know, the video is acting up or whatever. And at this part right here, I don't know what happened. Like, I was cleaning the cleaning tools, the mop heads, the vacuum cleaner, everything, and the footage was just missing out of the video. That's another thing that's been going on. And like, it'll say that my thing is recording, and then as soon as I get done and I hit stop, I cannot find the footage that was supposedly recorded. It didn't save on the SD card. It didn't save on my recording device. So, yeah, I'm just having a lot of technical difficulties here lately, and I am trying to sort that out as well. I cannot talk for some reason. So I just hope you guys will bear with me, and I hope you guys will continue to come back and watch more videos and support us just by being here. And I really do appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for being here. I know that I am a super small channel, and I don't have very many subscribers, and that is okay with me, because I would rather naturally grow the subscribers than to have help from any other channels or anything like that. I greatly appreciate any and all, you know, likes or subscribes or comments. I mean, I would really appreciate just somebody commenting and, you know, talking to me or whatever, guys, because let's face it, I don't have a lot of friends because I am a stay-at-home mom. Like, I stay at home 24/7, other than doctor's appointments, grocery stores, you know, the typical stay-at-home mom stuff. Like, I don't really associate with anybody outside of the house and my kids. So I would really greatly appreciate it if you guys could maybe carry on a conversation with me in the comments and, you know, help make me feel like I am actually doing something and am actually helping you get motivated or giving you ideas, because I do have some DIYs that I want to do and things like that. And I greatly appreciate any suggestions that y'all have for a video or just anything like that, guys. I really need people to talk to, okay? So if you could comment in the comments and maybe tell me a little bit about yourself, or a fun fact about you. As I said, my fun fact was I hate cleaning, but this channel is a way to keep me on track of actually doing what I need to do, because I feel like if I have to post a video, well, you don't have to, but if I feel like if I have said that I was going to post, then I have that, it keeps me on track to actually do what I need to do. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense, because I'm not explaining that right, but it keeps me accountable. There we go. That's the word, accountable. And if I'd greatly appreciate just some peoples to talk to, please. But anyway, guys, I'll stop rambling and I will go ahead and let you guys enjoy, hopefully, watching the rest of this video. And I will see you guys, or I will post another video on Saturday. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week, and I will catch you guys later. Bye-bye.